Hello people, it's Mishan. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे. I am very excited for this one. Whew, whew. I'm very excited. सबसे पहले तो I'm a huge DC fan, वो आप सब जानते ही हैं. उसके बाद Justice League, Zack Snyder's Justice League, the Zack Snyder's cut of Justice League. It's finally coming. This is the official trailer. Man, I can't tell you how much I've waited for this. मैं स्टार्टिंग से बता देता हूँ. दिस वॉज सपोज टू बी अ जैक स्नाइडर मूवी जो 2017 में आई थी. इट वॉज सपोज टू बी अ जैक स्नाइडर मूवी, लेकिन ही सफर्ड लॉस इन हिज फैमिली, जिसकी वजह से ही उसे मूवी छोड़नी पड़ी. एंड जॉश वीडन टुक इन चार्ज एंड ही मेस्ड अप द मूवी सो बैड. सो फाइनली फैंस वर आउटरेज्ड कि नहीं, हमें जैक स्नाइडर का विजन देखना है, क्योंकि जैक स्नाइडर इज really great. He know how to create a superhero movie, how to create a comic book movie. He did that with Watchmen, Man of Steel, Batman vs Superman. In fact, Batman vs Superman Ultimate Edition, I love that movie. Now it's Justice League, the Snyder cut, or you can say Zack Snyder's Justice League. This is releasing next year, 2021, on HBO Max. This is the official trailer. It's 2 minutes and 32 seconds long. I have no idea इसमें कितनी पुरानी footage होगी, कितनी नई footage होगी, what's gonna happen. I have no bloody clue, but I'm very excited to see this. And man, I can't tell you, my heart is beating so fast right now. मौत ना हो जाए मेरी ट्रेलर देखने से पहले. So चलिए, let's watch it. It's 2 minutes and 32 seconds long. I'm really excited. Here we go. Damn it. Max Original. It's Darkseid.
There was a secret chord that David played, and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? And it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall.
Supergirl. That was Supergirl's costume. It was in the original trailer. Cyborg. Black suit. This scene was never there. He saved Iris. There's Iris.
Wasn't much,
Ben Affleck.
so I tried to touch. I've told the truth. I didn't come to fool you.
Mother box. Steppenwolf. Damn. Oh, look at that shot!
This guy's probably fought hundreds of thousands of other super beings on the other planets he's destroyed, right? And we have to assume he's won.
I don't care how many demons he's fought and how many hells. He's never fought us. Not us united.
United. This is something I can talk about for the whole fucking day. Man. क्या बोलूँ मैं. It's It's orgasmic. At least for me, this is orgasmic. मैं बहुत बड़ा नर्ड हूँ इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में, and it's I'm so out of words right now. It's hallelujah indeed, man. It's thank you HBO Max. I have no bloody idea कि HBO Max यहाँ इंडिया में कैसे देखा जाएगा. किसी ना किसी तरह जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा. But I have to watch this movie, man. I have to watch this movie. जैसे ही ये movie available होगी on HBO Max, I'll do anything possible to get HBO Max and to watch this movie no matter what. It's, man, this is Dark Side was there in the very beginning and he's looking so damn badass. That's Dark Side. For the people who don't know who Dark Side is, जैसे लोग you know मार्वल से लोग ज़्यादा रेफरेंस समझते हैं क्योंकि मार्वल बहुत पहले से है यहाँ पे, मतलब सिनेमैटिक यूनिवर्स में. तो जैसे मार्वल में थैनोस है द अल्टीमेट विलन, उसी तरह डीसी में डार्क साइड है. ही इज़ वेरी पावरफुल. he possesses an entire army and he's just the boss, man. That's Dark Side. जो Steppenwolf है, that's his army chief, so Steppenwolf दिखाया था उसमें Justice League में. He's nowhere near Dark Side. I think इसमें भी Steppenwolf is the main villain, लेकिन it may be a flashback sequence or something like that जिसमें Dark Side दिखाया था. Dark Side not gonna be main villain. इसमें वो Zack Snyder ने plan बनाया था for Justice League 2 to introduce to make Dark Side the main villain. वो जस्टिस लीग का पार्ट नहीं है. वो इसमें कैमियो होगा, उसे दिखाएंगे कि दिस इज डार्क साइड, एक इंट्रोडक्शन होगा, लेकिन द मेन विलन डार्क साइड विल बी इन जस्टिस लीग 2. आएगी नहीं आएगी, आई हैव नो ब्लडी क्लू, लेकिन दिस लुक्स एपिक. बेन एफ्लेक इज बैटमैन, नो मैटर व्हाट पीपल से. नो, आई एम नॉट गोना से एनीथिंग टू क्रिश्चियन बेल फैंस, लेकिन बेन एफ्लेक इज द बेस्ट लाइव एक्शन बैटमैन एवर. यस, आई हैव सेड इट. द मोस्ट कॉमिक एक्यूरेट बैटमैन, बेन एफ्लेक. And I'm really happy that he's back. इस मूवी के लिए तो है ही, लेकिन he's back for the Flash movie as well. जो Flash की मूवी आ रही है उसमें Ben Affleck का बैटमैन वर्जन भी होगा, माइकल कीटन का वर्जन भी होगा, एंड Ben Affleck का वर्जन भी होगा. So that is damn amazing. I'm really excited, really happy. I'm so glad that this exists, and I'm so glad I exist to watch this, to witness this. Thank you Zack Snyder, thank you Warner Brothers, finally, thank you HBO Max, and whew, man, I need some water. मैं पागल हो गया हूँ. That's it guys. I'll see you soon एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Like, dislike, subscribe, follow Instagram. You know the drill. Just do whatever you want to. And I'll see you soon एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Bye bye. Take care.